Hi.
We good now?
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel. Gago, sa cellphone ko. So should get my phone first. My other phone. My other phone too. Just give me a... Wala bang post dito? Alam mo kung paano yung post?
Hindi.
Yun lang, di mo alam yung post, di mo naaral yung post.
Kasi yung 100?
Yeah. On it. So we're here at the Bella Bay Hotel in Thailand. So this is our last night in Thailand. This is our last night. And 44% na lang ang ating Osmo. Packet. 3. Hanyo ko sumakay sa angkas. Wala bang post to?
Gago, maambon?
Waterproof ba to? Okay, waterproof ka. Tiwala ako sa'yo, pre. Is it Kyle? Is it Kyle?
Miss?
Yeah.
Ano, sakay ka na lang.
So, ang tawag dito is Bolt in Thailand. Bolt yung ano nila, pinaka-grab. Oo na ako.
Ayun, Ken.
Ha?
28.
Okay. So, hindi naman, yun, Bolt. So, yung sa Bolt kasi, nandun na siya lahat. Like, meron ng motor, meron ng tuk-tuk.
Bruh.
Shook. So here, medyo tahimik ako ngayon. Kasi di ko alam sasabihin ko. Pero this is our last night in Thailand. And sobrang umuulan. Di ko alam kung waterproof to. But, yeah, let's go! Ito yung 7-Eleven. Diyan kami gabi-gabi kasi malapit lang sa pinag-e-stayan namin. 7 days pala kami nag-stay dito sa Thailand. And yeah, this is our last night. Bukas flight namin is 11 AM. So, ayun. Mamimili lang kami ng mga konti. Kunti lang since 4 na yung punong-puno sa amin ng maleta. Yung, para siyang Philippines. Para lang naman siyang Philippines. This is my driver. Yeah, back. We're here at it's happening. Is it wet? I think it is.
Meron din kuya scrub.
So we're here at 100 baht. I don't know what it is called, but dito kami para mamili pa ng kung ano-ano. What are you planning to buy? What are you planning to buy?
Anything. I don't have anything specifically planned to buy, but
Ito meron.
Kuya is big
Hot
shit.
cream.
at Grand Diamond, in front of the Grand Diamond. So this is what I'm planning to buy. Walang electric fan, nagbablock. Are you planning to buy?
I already bought
Where?
15 soaps over there. They leave my card there, so you can just take it.
Okay. So here's the moment of truth.
Try natin. Ano email mo? Try natin. Lagyan mo dito para hindi gawa kung ano mo.
So ito yung nabili natin dun sa halagang 1,200 baht. It's not bad. Ha? Kasi sana kumain ng McDo. Sabi niya marami daw tao.
Ulit tayo.
Okay. Ha?
Last night na eh.
Tuktok. Because it's last night.
Maganda mag-video ng tuktok.
Because it's last night. Last. So we should bargain. Bargain the price. Because sometimes that will be 300 baht. Pumunta kami dito ng 28 baht lang ah. 28 is so 60 baht. So if tok, let's see how much. Because sometimes they ask 300 baht. 250 to 300 baht. So if we choose to ride Bolt, 200 baht. Let's go.
Villa P Bangkok. Villa P Bangkok, ha?
Yeah. Let's go. So 200 baht. For experience again. Na-experience na namin but this is our last night. We have to portrait. Paano? Pag-recording. Naka-landscape pa din.
Wait. Ay, alam ko yan. Ay, hindi pa palitan. Kailangan.
Hindi, tapos na. Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. And for today's video, we're going to mix a Meiji banana. Ang tawag dito? And sunshine chocolate milk. Focus. So let's buksan natin to. Pukin lang ng tigas. Ito yung may sumobra. But there's nothing we can do. Since pupunta kami mamaya sa Donkey para mag-grocery. Pero may susundo na naman sa amin. May nakausap na. Woo! Refreshing. That's my vlog for today.